Wanna go out? Wanna go out? Ready, Jack? You going with me to work today, Michelle? You with? I gotta get up that hill. It's not gonna be easy. Got my broom, got my truck, gotta make it to work because we gotta sign the documents for Barrett Jackson to ship the cars. And it is snowing like crazy. Still running the hot rod shop, playing with the puppy dogs, but I gotta get out. And this is a big hill. All right, see you soon. I gotta get the clean. Jack, what do you think? Come here, Shell. I've been wanting a snow day, and this is what I got today. Did you get in here with the snowstorm?
Yes, I did.
So the truck's supposed to be coming today. I don't think they're gonna make it.